What's up, my fellow and new investors? If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Connor and I do all things personal finance and making money online. If you've been here before, then welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be going over the very basics of the Freetrade app. Now, Freetrade is a UK brokerage and it's a fairly new app with lots of awesome features. So I'm going to be going through all of them right now and also exactly how you can place your very first trade. So if that kind of thing interests you, then stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to be covering all of the basics, and without wasting any more of your time, let's get to this video. So first of all, if you want to start now, click the link in my bio. That's going to take you to the App Store. You'll download the app and you'll go through very basic things to set up the app. First of all, they're going to ask your name, then they're going to ask for your address, your national insurance number. You have to be a UK resident and you have to have a national insurance number. They're going to ask for that. Sometimes it takes a few hours, sometimes it takes a few days for everything to get registered. At this point, you can choose to open a basic account, a general investment account, or you can open up your stocks and shares account, which is going to be £3 a month. But I do suggest that you do this, and then you're going to be in the app and you're going to have access to all of these awesome features. So let's jump onto my phone. So you're going to land here. The first page is your portfolio page. I would actually be more than happy to do like a portfolio update. So let me know in the comment section if that's something that you'd want to see. I'm totally happy to do my investment portfolio, exactly what it's worth, exactly the trades that I make maybe each week or whatever it is. Yeah, let me know if that's something that would interest you. For now, the first page, you see your portfolio. It shows you the investments that you're involved in. You can click on them from here, like Tesla is one of my investments. You see your current value, exactly the value of this investment is, how many shares you have, the average price. This is the one thing that I don't like about the app. It shows the average price per share in pounds. I wish this was in dollars, or I had the option to change between pounds and dollars because Tesla is traded in dollars. So it's strange to see it's $609, but my average cost basis is £336, you know? Then I have to do the conversion in my head or online, and it's a little bit annoying. And then we see the investment gain and loss, 34%, incredible. Tesla is a speculative stock, get involved in your own risk. You can see buy, sells, all of this. In the stats section, you got the market open. This would have been the last trading day because the market's not currently open. The high, the low. The market cap is basically what every single stock added together is worth. So the company is worth $578 billion, which is, you know, way too high. You've got the PE ratio, 1051. I won't go into what PE ratio is in this video. If you'd like to know that, I will make another video because I'm going to be making investment basics. You got a little bit about it, and then you've got to join the discussion section, which right now isn't very good. It's not integrated with the platform, so I don't really like that. I don't really go on it. Hopefully maybe they integrate this with the app, because right now it opens a separate web page. So that's your basic understanding of when you click on a stock. Underneath the investments, you have your watch list, which is the stocks that I'm interested in. Virgin Galactic, Lemonade, Kronos, Carnival, all of this stuff. So everything that you click watch. So in the discover page, if you're interested in watching it, you'd click add to watch list, and then that's gonna populate over here in your watch list. Great, super easy to use. The portfolio will order your investments in order of your highest investment to your lowest investment. That's the portfolio page. Next is the insights page. So this will show your portfolio performance and your portfolio breakdown. First of all, portfolio breakdown, stocks 89.8%, cash 10%, commodity 0, bond 0. I'm all cash or stocks. Always suggest you have at least 10% cash, so when we see those crashes, we buy. If we believe in the companies in the long run, these crashes, you know, they're just short term. They're not real losses unless you sell. Don't sell at a loss if you believe in the company. And as long as the fundamentals of the company haven't changed, the CEO is still the same and things like that. Okay, so portfolio performance. Money weighted rate of return is basically the return this month, but it includes the money that I've deposited into the account. 14% this month. That includes the deposits that I've made into the account. That is not my actual return. I have deposited some money this month, but we can see time weighted rate of return is 11.75. So that is not including the deposits that I've made this month. And as you can see, in accordance to the FTSE All World ETF, that's the overview of the whole market, has done 2%, I've done 11%, pretty incredible, but you can't have those sort of gains every month. So from here, we can see 1 week, I'm down 0.1% on the week. On the 3 months, we can see we're up 5%, including the deposits. We're down 0.8% on the 3 months. Again, right now, I'm just buying these stocks that I love because they're going down, they're low, I can make more money. It's awesome. And then we go to the max. This is the amazing one. 80% money weighted rate of return, time weighted rate of return, 78.68%. That is just crazy. That's mind-boggling. So much money. The rest of the world did 37%. I did about twice as good. But again, you know, you have good years, you have bad years. This is part of it. So those are the insights. Next up, we got the Discover page, not Instagram this time. You got newly added stocks. You got your recently viewed stocks, fighting COVID, sectors, finance, tech, health, industries, consumer goods, awesome stuff. SPACs is basically companies that are being brought into the market by special purpose acquisition. That's a SPAC. So basically, like this company, Landcadia 2 is a SPAC. They basically straight away trade on the public market, but they have no company. Their entire business model is to buy and acquire another company. We see this a lot in the electric vehicle sector. I've invested in a few SPACs. Tattooed Chef is something that I invested in. That used to be traded as a SPAC. Now it's traded as a real company. But you can lose a lot because it's completely speculative. If you get involved before the merger, you're basically getting involved in nothing at all apart from a promise that it's going to become something. So very speculative. Keep that to 10% or less of your portfolio. This is what the Discover page looks like. It's awesome. You can discover loads of awesome trending companies to get involved in. Another reason why I love Freetrade. So here we have activity. This is basically your activity over a given period. As you can see, like I said, the market's down. I'm down on the last 3 months, but I'm just buying some more. That's your activity. If you've forgotten a trade that you made, you can see it right there. Next, we'll go on to the account. So here you can see you got the choice of your ISA, or you can choose your general investment account. Here I have £6,000 left that I can deposit into my ISA account of that 20k limit that I was talking about. I've got 5 grand in cash, and that's my linked account. Obviously you can't see that, and that, you know, is basically it. But let's just quickly go over how you make an order. Let's go to our watch list. We'll choose Virgin Galactic. We want to buy it. It's at a good price. The market's not currently open, but let's say we want to buy it. We're just going to smash buy. We're just going to put in £100. You're going to do review. You're going to confirm the buy, and that's going to send out an instant order. Right now it will send out a basic order because the market's closed, and Bob's your uncle. You started your investment journey. Welcome. That's Freetrade. That's basically your general introduction into Freetrade. Hopefully that helps a lot. If you have any other questions or anything that I've missed out on, do please leave me a comment, because that's basically where I get my inspiration for these videos. My plan is to just help a load of people along this investment journey that I've started myself only in the last couple of years, and I really hope you join that journey with me. If that sort of thing does interest you, please consider smashing that subscribe button, and if you did, I'll see you in the next one.